Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Avalanche at number 1, followed by Toncoin, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Chainlink, TRON, Uniswap, and end with Polygon at number 20. Let's get straight into it. AVAX against BTC. Okay, AVAX is still good. Why? Because AVAX is still above the skinny pink line. So as long as we are above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for AVAX BTC. We are in some sort of a consolidation. Feels like a breakout is in the cards for AVAX against BTC. Looks like an A, B, C, D, E, potentially kind of a chart pattern. So we're looking out for AVAX towards the upside. AVAX against USD, still bullish. We're still above the skinny pink line, right? As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias on both the USD and BTC pair. We are, in a retracement. How much lower could we retrace again? Noisy area is over here. So my suspicion is around 44, sub 44. Around 44, sub 44. So we're at 47, 48. So I think a little bit more downside before a continuation back towards the upside for AVAX against USD. Toncoin, TON against BTC. Here we are for TON. TON still is looking good. We're above the skinny pink line. Bullish bias, TON against USDT. Here we are for TON. Let's look at it on Gate. How does it look? Okay, TON still looks good. All right, TON is an ascending triangle at the moment. Value 1, value 2, value 3, out. So now we're in a retrace. And there's huge volume. So the whales definitely are selling. We're already above here. The highs over here. So we're kind of in price discovery. So yeah, potentially we could be heading towards the double digits. But anyway, we have a target over here. $13.50. We had this target since the 12th of March, 2024. So this was last month when we got the target. And we still expect more upside for TON. I don't think TON is done yet. TON still has more upside. So there you go. I don't think it's going to be one straight line up though. I think we're probably going to get some sort of a consolidation first before we springboard towards potentially $13. Again, no guarantees. We can always drop down to 2, to 1, to 0, of course. But yeah, we still have a hard target here. And we still expect more upside for Toncoin, Shiba Inu, SHIB against USDT. Here we are for SHIB. Okay, so SHIB, same thing, above the skinny pink line. Bias is still bullish for Shiba Inu. We are in some sort of a consolidation. I suspect we're coming down again. There's a bit of selling over here, so we might head towards this area. I suspect we could take out these lows though. Right, look at this big daily candlestick, right? I suspect we're gonna gun for these lows. And then only do we see some sort of a reversal. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias. Expect more upside. I don't think we're done yet for Shiba Inu. If anything, we're just in the midst of a wave 4. If this is a 1, 2, 3, this is a 4. Towards a 5 coming up. So I don't think we're done yet. We still have one more wave towards the upside for Shiba Inu. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are for Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash has been rising steadily against BTC because of the halving. But against BTC, yeah, again, it's not really looking good. Again, if you had switched your entire stash of Bitcoin Cash into BTC, you would have done so well compared to be in BCH, right? Against USD, okay, Bitcoin Cash seems to be blasting off. Yes, sir. How much higher do I think we can go? We're probably going to sweep all of these highs though. So probably, again, if I had to guess, 870. Right now at 600. More upside? Yeah, more upside. Accumulation? Out. Same thing. Consolidation? Out. Mini consolidation? Out. So you got to wait for a consolidation first before doing anything. If anything, this is a wave 1. Down 2. We are in the midst of a wave 3. So wait for a wave 4. Once a wave 4 comes in, there will be a final wave, wave 5. So we'll probably overshoot what I expect though. We'll probably go to $900. We may even go to plus 4 digits. So yeah, but again, we don't have any hard targets for Bitcoin Cash against USD. All we know is that as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Bitcoin Cash. Polkadot, DOT against BTC. Okay, so Polkadot is weak. No signs of life, still under the skinny pink line, still in a bearish trend. Again, as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias for DOT BTC. DOT against USD, we are, okay, against USD, we're up. But against BTC, we're down. So which means that your money would have done so much better being in BTC instead of being in Polkadot. But anyway, we're rising against USD. We're above the skinny pink line. We remain with a bullish bias. We don't have any clear upside targets for Polkadot. I'm not sure what Polkadot is doing. We could of course just zip out from here, but yeah, as it stands, I don't really see anything for Polkadot. It's lackluster. So yeah, I preach caution. I would preach caution. Kevin, what's happening? Chainlink. Hey, what's up, Sergey? Link against BTC. We are okay. So you see, previously, right, we were expecting Chainlink. Look at the beauty of this, right? Potentially left shoulder, head, right shoulder, blast off. This would have been the ideal scenario, but hey, such is life, such is trading. You don't always get what you want, right? We actually completed a right shoulder, but hey, this is what you call a bull trap. And then bam, we got slapped all the way back down. Now we're under the skinny pink line. So yeah, it's not looking good for Chainlink against BTC. Not at this point of time. Against USD, Chainlink is still again above the skinny pink line. So as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Chainlink and expect more upside. I suspect we're going to take out the highs here. So 39. We're at 17 right now. So more upside for Chainlink. TRON. Hey, what's up, Justin? TRON against BTC. Okay, TRON is down. Right, we expected this consolidation to break out, but it broke down instead. We wanted it to break out towards the upside, but yeah, anyway, it is what it is. No clear signs of a high quality tradable chart pattern. Could we still zip lower? Of course, as long as we're here, right? We can be zigzagging up and down, up and down. Once it's done, I suspect TRON could see a move higher. Potentially, but again, there's just nothing much for us to work with for TRON BTC at the moment. Against USD, okay, again, as long as you're above the skinny pink line, right, it would it would have served you well if you had that bias, right? As long as you're above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias. Selling, yeah, but we went higher. Selling, we went higher. Consolidated, oh my god, higher, right? Selling, yeah, we're above the skinny pink line, but this could be different because we are very close to the top. Could there still be another surprise rally first before we hit lower? Of course. But again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for TRON. Just that, no targets. Uniswap, Uni against BTC. Okay, Uni is kinda, not really, but still kinda above the skinny pink line. We've already touched it twice, so there is danger. There's a risk that Uniswap could sit back under the skinny pink line, right? It has held up so far as support, but you don't want to see it touch the skinny pink line. But we're touching it, so yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, Uni BTC is just not that obvious. Against USD, if you look at Uniswap against USD, it's pretty obvious. Uniswap against USD, we have a target over here. $25. We're 11, so another 100%, I think. Again, we're above the skinny pink line. So more upsides to be expected. We're probably going to be taking this out though. Right. Realistically, it's $30. Realistically, right? So more upside, yeah. How much lower are we going to retrace? I'm not too sure. We could just, hang around here for sure. At the same time, we could also sweep these lows. Zip, before going back up. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Uniswap. We still expect more upside, and we still expect to hit $25, right? So yeah, there you go. Well, of course, we could also drop to these lows, right? This area over here, for sure. But I don't think so, though. It's too close to the skinny pink line, so I don't think so. At most, we'll sweep these two lows, and then we go back up. That's my guess. So we'll see how it goes, right? I mean, of course, we could also do like that before hitting higher. So it's still not much information for us to make a decision for Uniswap yet. Polygon MATIC. Okay, so MATIC against BTC seems to go lower. There are no signs of life. Hey, yo. What's happening, Sandeep? Sandeep. Anyway, this is a noisy area. We are already at the noisy area. Where is the sign of life? No signs of life at all for MATIC BTC. The next noisy area is over here. This is a 50% drop though. Where we are? Almost 50%. You see this? This is scary stuff. But the USD pair gives us hope. We love the MATIC USD pair. MATIC USD, has a very beautiful A, B, C, D, E. We have already broken out of the resistance line. Right now, we are retesting resistance. Once broken, becomes support. We are retesting the support line. And we've already swept all of these lows. All of it. Could we still head lower? Of course. Again, we broke the resistance line. 1. 2 is we are above the skinny pink line. So the bullish trend is assumed to be on for MATIC. And we are expecting MATIC to eventually head towards $9 and $12. These were targets which we acquired since last year, 15th of December. And we still expect more upside. Right now, we're under $1. So this will be a 9x and a 12x. More likely than not. If MATIC, does blast off. Again, no guarantees. Absolutely no guarantees. MATIC can always drop to 0. I don't think so. But this is trading for you. And yeah, I kind of like what I see on MATIC. We're following in a very controlled manner. And this is good. Right, and we're heading towards support. I like what I see, to be honest. I like what I see. Now the only question is, how much lower are we going to go? Right. How much lower are we going to go? If I had to guess, right? If I had to guess, I would say 87 cents. 87... Okay, 8720, I would say. Around 8720. You can see noisy area all over here, but I think around 87 cents, right? We're gonna test the support. 87 cents, 8719, maybe 8718, around 87 cents. A little bit above or under 87 cents. I'm just gonna put it at 87 cents. Around 87 cents for Polygon MATIC. Still looks good. So there you go. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed the top 20. And if you have yet, do check out the top 10 that we did yesterday. See you in the next one. Have a great Tuesday. Ta-da!